Humphrey. You know, it's kind of funny because we as traders, we want to just complicate things just as quickly as possible, don't we? Am I right? We want to really believe that what we do is something that's super special, right? Because we've been struggling about it for so long, and we're talking to ourselves, and we're saying, you know, what we want to be able to do is we want to be sitting across the kitchen table you know, with the family or with friends, and people doting over us for our superior talent and skill as a trader. And we want them saying, Jason, you've got to tell me your secret. You just have to, I have to know. What is it that you're doing that's allowing you to have this kind of lifestyle and work 4 hours a day and go golf in the afternoon? I want what you got, man. You got to give me the secret. I know that because that's what you guys are doing to me right now. What we want to say to that guy, we want to be able to kick back in our chair, kind of, well, you know, Jim, I love you, man. But what I do, I mean, it's really an extremely complicated process that I have spent years and years refining, and it just for the average layman, for the lay trader, for the newbie such as yourself, what I do is just far too complex and abstract for you, right? Right? That's really what we want to say. Because we want to believe that we're special, that what we do is so amazing and so incredible and so complicated that nobody else can figure it out. When in reality, I mean, what are we doing here? What did I show you guys? I showed you harmonic lines, structure, support, and resistance. I taught you a couple of key things. Do you think that you can take this away and start developing some trading strategies around this if you really put your mind to it? Do you think you could take this knowledge of structure, support, and resistance and build a strategy around this? And that you could take that out and actually test it and go back and historically and look at it and say, hey, yeah, that makes money or it doesn't make money, right? Here's the thing, guys. I'm teaching this stuff for free. Do you want to know why it's free? It's because it's so freaking easy, and I don't want to waste time. There is so much more I have to teach you. And I don't want to waste time when we get into the training course teaching you this stuff. I want to start teaching you about how to take these plans, how to test them, how to develop the type of psychological discipline that it's going to take to work with you on your trading plan and defining those rules, work with you on the money management process that you're going to need in order to maximize your returns, all of that kind of stuff. But this is easy. It's not complicated. Yet as soon as we learn something like this, or as soon as we start to get a handle on it, what is one of the first initial things we want to do is we want to try and complicate things. Well, let me see if I can throw a Fibonacci on here somewhere. Let's see if I can complicate this a little bit more. Maybe I should let me have one strategy for swing trading and one strategy for day trading. Let me create 2 or 3 different portfolios, one for my investment style stuff, one for my swing trading, one for my day trading, and I'll just try and make the biggest mess of my trading career as possible. What we teach here is one system, one market, one time frame, right? One system, one market, one time frame. Master that first. Crawl, walk, run. If you can't trade the New Zealand 60-minute chart, structure, support, and resistance successfully, then you're not going to be able to trade 6 or 8 different pairs on multiple time frames successfully, right? Does that make sense to everybody? Good. But this is it. This is what I want you guys to do because we're coming to the end of the training for today. So yesterday we learned about new structure highs, higher high, higher closes. We learned about impulse we learned about structure, support, and resistance. Look left, structure leaves clues. Today we learned about harmonic moves in the market. We combined that with impulse legs.